Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you are a new viewer in my channel, please visit my website also nicolasnilo.com. There you can find intraday position trading strategy and so many scanners also. Hope all these scanners and videos helpful for trading. Today we are going to discuss about opening 50 minutes candlestick breakout trading strategy. It's very familiar trading strategy. It's nothing actually. We just change the time frame to 50 minutes and this is the opening 50 minutes candle. That means 9:50 to 9:30. It's a high and low. This is the high and low created between 9:50 to 9:30. So just mark the high and low and place stop loss buy order above the high and stop loss sell order below the low. That is a strategy. If high break, market is going up. That's a strategy. There are so many stocks are there, but we don't know which one is better for 50 minutes trading strategy. So I made a scanner. In that scanner, selecting the best performing stocks with 50 minutes candle high and low. Let's see how it's working. This is the scanner. Exact 9:30. Just go to data tab and refresh all. Just click it. Then the scanner will scan the best stocks for 50 minutes breakout. You can see buy and sell section. In the buy section we can see, okay, these are the active stocks or we can select it for 50 minutes back breakout. The first one, Jindal Steel. Okay, this is a Jindal Steel chart and change it to 50 minutes. Mark the high. If Jindal Steel break the high, 50 minutes high, we can go for buy. So above buy. Okay, then check for next stock, Tata Steel. Mark Tata Steel high. Above the high we can go for buy. Then Sun Pharma. Okay, it's already in buy level. It's already break the buy level. So it's a buy active. And Lupin. The stocks Lupin. Mark, okay, Lupin also has it's active. So it's break the high. Oro Pharma. Okay, Oro Pharma is ready to break the high. Okay, it's active now. It's break the high. So buy it's active. Adani Ports. These all stocks are for buying. The scanner selected these stocks for buying. Okay, Adani Ports already it's activate and break out and it's going up. So buy already is active. SR Transfen. Okay, XR transfer also it's active. Buy is active. HR motor it's high value stocks. That's why I avoided. The stocks I added JSW Steel. The last stocks. This also I mark the high. If it's high breaks, we can go for buy. All these stocks are for buying and the selling. We can check it above this level buy. Okay, these are the all stocks for buying. And sell side we got only one stock Naukri. It's only for sell. Okay, below the candle sell. So this is the huge candle. Below that candle it's a sell. Okay. So now this scanner help to select the best stock for 50 minutes breakout buy and sell. Let's see how it perform.
A few moments later.
Okay, now let's check one by one. First one is Jindal Steel. See, it's high breaks and going up. The next stocks Tata Steel. Tata Steel also it's break the high and it's going. Sun Pharma. Okay, it's already moved. See, huge movement. Next one Lupin. Okay, Lupin also moved. Once it's break, it's moving up. Oro Pharma. See, Oro Pharma it's huge movement. SR Transfinance. Next one is Adani Ports. See, Adani Ports once it breaks and it's going up. SR Transfinance. Next one. So the scanner is working perfect. See, XR Transfinance also once it's breakout, it's going up. So now overall it's profit. JSW Steel, last one for buy side. Okay, not active yet. It's just near to the high breakout. For sell side, Naukri, just check it. Okay, Naukri is not active sell. Once it's break the low, then only sell. Now we saw that the scan is working perfect. Today it selected 10 stocks. At 9:30, we once you go to data and refresh all, we got 10 stocks. That 10 stocks is best for 50 minutes breakout. But there is one disadvantage in this scanner. Manually placing order is not possible because it takes so much time. For example, Jindal Steel, okay, we got Jindal Steel, Tata Steel. So we open the chart and place a stop loss buy order above the 50 minutes high, and Tata Steel we play open the chart and place order above the 50 minutes high. It takes some time, and at that time Sun Pharma breaks the 50 minutes high and going up. You saw that the chart it's already jumped. It is because of we take time for marking Jindal Steel and Tata Steel. So I find a solution for that. I made a semi-automatic system with this scanner. So I will explain about it, how it's working. This is working with the upstocks. Okay. So here you can see the bottom copy and paste here tab. Exact 9:30, you just go to data and click refresh all button. Then just wait it, and it will be, you will get an active stocks. So don't need to worry about it. You just, after it's scanning the stocks, you just copy all the table. Just right click and copy, or control C. Then back to here, this scanner 50 minutes breakout. I just made this semi-auto system, and you can see bottom copy and paste here. Just click the tab and paste it, control V, paste it. Okay, that's it. Okay, then you just go to fund management. You can already set the fund management here. Okay, here I'm just set to 50,000 and 10 times leverage. Okay, that's it. Then you can go for upstocks to Excel. See, it's automatically selected the quantity based on your fund management system. It will calculate the quantity, and you can see the stocks. Okay, it's don't need to check this tab. You just copy and paste here, then go to instruction tab. Just copy this blue box, control C, you can copy it, and you can see there is a link, W3 school link. Just delete it, control V, run. See, all stocks are comes here, just place. So it's take only 1 minute. If you do in speed, it takes only 1 minute. See, now market is closed, that's why. So all order is placed within second. So just simple. Exact 9:30, just go to data and refresh all. So once the scanner selecting the stock, just copy the table, control C, then back to the scanner. You can see bottom copy and paste here. Just click the first line, control V. Okay, then immediately go to the instruction tab, copy this blue box and W3 school link, you can see it. Just click it, click run. Okay, if you are asking for user ID and password, you just give it, then scroll down, place order. That's it. Within a minute you can add all orders, so you never miss the jackpot. Okay, so I made this system. So today it's working fine. Let's check with the next days. So those who open account under my reference in Upstocks, please contact me if you want this scanner with this semi-automatic system. I will send to you. I will explain about this strategy. This is I'm this scanner selecting the best stocks, because uptrend stocks. This scanner scan and uptrend stocks with the candle calculation, and which is the best chance for breakout. It's showing active. Okay, so manually it's not possible to place all order at a time. That's why I'm just made this semi-auto system. Just a copy and paste, very simple. Within 1 minute we can place order. That's the benefit of this system. Also we can manage our capital. After placing order, just watch MTM on your terminal, and once MTM reach to good profit, just square off all. That's it. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmuller2007@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmuller.com. You can also WhatsApp me 8848943849. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.